Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting facts and meeting prerequisites. This saves time. First, note the exact network protocol error message and which device or app fails. Then verify physical connectivity, cable seating, link LEDs, and Wi-Fi association. Once done, log into the router or interface with admin credentials and the router IP. Make sure you have device MACs handy. You do this because knowing where the failure appears, local device, DHCP, or upstream, lets you choose the correct next diagnostic path. Now perform targeted diagnostics to isolate the protocol failure. Run ipconfig or ifconfig, then ping the gateway and traceroute to the destination to see which hop drops packets. Next, inspect DHCP leases and static IP conflicts. Confirm DNS resolves correctly and that required ports are open. Also check MTU size, firewall or access control rules, and any active VPN tunnels that can alter routing. If a device driver or firmware is outdated, update it. Many protocol errors finish by applying corrective changes and validating outcomes. Renew the DHCP lease or assign a new static IP, reset routes or default gateway and adjust MTU if fragmentation was an issue. Restart the affected services, network stack, or the device itself, and then repeat pings and trace routes to confirm reachability. Make sure the app works and the link stays stable for at least 10 minutes. If problems persist, collect logs, revert recent config changes, and isolate the device on a clean network as one key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.